Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on Cake Wallet. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the Cake Wallet application. And if you have already logged into your account or created a new one, then you will be asked to enter your PIN that you have set up while creating your account. So go ahead and type in your PIN and you will successfully be logged into your account on Cake Wallet. Now, once you have been logged in, you will find the buy option at the bottom left corner of your screen. Simply go ahead and tap on it, and now you can select from various different providers that you can choose in order to buy your selected crypto. Simply choose any one that is suitable for you, and you will be taken into the Buy Crypto menu. Now, within the Spend section, simply select your currency by tapping on the drop-down menu at the right side, and then choose any currency that you want to use to buy your crypto. After selecting your currency, at the bottom, choose the crypto that you want to buy. In this case, Bitcoin is already selected by default, so we can leave it as it is. Now simply type in how much you want to spend to buy your crypto, and after you type in, you can simply select your payment method at the bottom section. Once all of your details have been set up, simply tap on the Buy BTC button at the bottom section, and you can proceed with buying your desired crypto, which in this case is Bitcoin. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to buy Bitcoin using Cake Wallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.